survived my first workout in probably 10 years. Just came from the gym and I took a walk, and now I'm doing my cool down after a walk. I'm just making use of these different exercise equipment things, mostly for stretching and whatever. And I think that's what I'll do, is do the gym, do a walk, come out here to where they have the exercise equipment and kind of cool down with that. They have more of the machines over there. So anyways, I'm sure I'll be sore tonight. I'll probably pick up some ibuprofen here in a little while. And but you know, baby steps. Just trying to make some cold progress. Wow, we just had like 40-mile-per-hour winds, so I knew that a rainstorm was going to come in. Usually that's how it works, is the wind kicks up really high, and then the rain comes in. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but the rain is actually, and the wind, the rain is actually coming in like sideways. I mean, it's partly down and partly sideways. It's still sunny over that direction. The rain is coming from this direction over here, and man, I'm having a hard time just picking up just an area where you can actually see the rain, but it's coming in like at a 45-degree angle and then blowing sideways. And it's funny too, it's like it's rain and then there's a really light mist mixed in with the rain, the heavy rain. I mean, like a mist of, I don't know, it's like, I guess the wind's being blown around, or the rain is being blown around by the wind so much that it's like vaporizing. So some of the rain is heavy, and some of it is, again, like a mist. And I brought my stuff in, my laundry, because I hang my laundry normally out here. But when the wind is like this, it will end up down on the street. The wind right now, I would say it's about 40 to 50 miles per hour, right about there. Maybe it's even gusting up as high as 55. It's probably going to come down really heavy like this for quite a while. Oh man, now it just doubled. Now the rain is coming down even faster. So anyways, yeah, rain, love it. And again, it's nice and warm out here. I'm just kind of enjoying it. Well, just a little update. It's about 2 a.m. Actually, it is 2 a.m. and I've been asleep for like the last 7 hours. Finally took a shower and just kind of got it together. I am feeling a little bit better. Still not 100%. Kind of around 75%, I guess. The hot tea's been helping a lot with the sore throat. And I'll go this way. Yeah, so I'm on my way to the local Circle K and see if I can get some NyQuil. Like I said, I've been sleeping for the last 6-7 hours, actually 7 hours, so I already know I'm not going to have an easy time falling asleep tonight. I do have melatonin, but that makes you drowsy. It doesn't really knock you out. So I'm going to see if I can find some NyQuil. There's a few pharmacies here, but they're not open late at night. As you can see, there's still 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, there's still people out here getting some pho. You know, it seems like there's always food available. In fact, there's a 24-hour pho place down the street here. It's not too far to the Circle K. Anyway, so the plan is I'll probably do some more editing just because I'm wide awake and that kind of relaxes me. Then I've been watching on Netflix the series Breaking Bad. I finally started. I'm up on season 3 now, and it's really good. I can see why it's such a big deal. Really good story. So I'll probably do some editing, watch some Breaking Bad. If I can get some NyQuil, I'll take that, and then my sleep schedule will be a little whacked. I'll probably end up sleeping till about 2 in the morning. So there's another place I think it's open. And hello, hi Zincho. But I hope to be better when I wake up tomorrow afternoon, and then I can just kind of get cranking again. The Lotteria or Lottie Mart food court. So now they got like, I don't know, about the same amount of seating, but it looks nicer. Well, this end kind of looks still the same. And let's see, I'll go around this way. We got the usual hot pot. This. And hopefully they got my fruit here. I like having the diced watermelon. Man, where's my diced watermelon? Okay, maybe they moved it over here. Anyways, they do have more counters here for eating. And they got a whole bunch of stuff to eat. They got like probably 8 different types of kimchi and different things here. And oh, there's my watermelon. Now over here they got fresh squeezed juices, and here's the watermelon I wanted. There. Okay. And then they've got salads, a whole bunch of salads. Now this is all inside the grocery store. Now over here they have pre-packaged lunches, and you can just grab them and go. There we go. Like this one here is, let me see, 30. Yeah, about $1.10, right about there. $1.10. Yeah, so you can get lunch pretty inexpensively.
Very good price.
Oh yeah.
Where you from, man?
Oh, California. But I'm living here now.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been living here since January. I was in Philippines 6 years before that.
I see.
Yeah.
Would you do a business here or what? Just
nah, pretty much just goof off. I was teaching English, but I'm taking the year off.
Yeah. I'm from LA too.
Oh yeah, what area?
Yeah. Orange County.
Yeah, I was out by Stanton, Norwalk, Irvine.
Yeah. That's where I live.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I've also been Riverside County, Temecula. I bounce around a lot. Oh, okay.
I just come back with my wife here. We just come to see that.
Oh yeah. I'm just shooting video because it's been under construction for like the last month or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's all finished up.
Nice.
And yeah, I mean it was okay before, but it's much nicer now.
Good price. Yeah.
Oh yeah, good price. I mean this is where I like to come to lunch.
We want to see everything that we eat, but this guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
and good.
That's the rest of the group.
Okay, have a good time, man.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So wow. Ran into a guy from California. Oh, over here, this is what I usually get is sushi. Yeah, so here we got some sushi, different selections of sushi. And again, price-wise, we're looking at, $99,000 is about $4, right about there. $4 for some sushi. They also have less expensive ones over here. You can get sushi for about $2. In fact, there's a lot of the menu up here. Now over here, I'm telling you, this deli is just off the hook. Over here, they've got some Korean food. They got noodles. You can get French fries. You can get fried chicken. You get the fried chicken or roasted chicken to go. This one I'm not too crazy about. And you can get it cut. You can get noodles. We got roasted chickens here. We got pork belly over here. All kinds of stuff. Hey, I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite times of the week, which is Wednesday afternoon, because that is the day that the maid comes in, usually around, let's get this focus here working. That's when the maid comes in, usually about 1 o'clock, and does her thing. So what I do is I take off and, well, usually I'll go like get a facial and haircut and all that stuff. Today I wanted to edit video for, you know, to upload for later. So I went and did that. But as you can see, I mean, it's just so nice to come back to the apartment and everything is clean. When I left, there was like a whole bunch of dishes. Trash was like 3/4 full. Now it's empty. You know, everything is just clean. They sweep and mop the floors. You know, everything's looking good. I've got my towel drying out there. Again, fresh linen. This is what you get when you have a serviced apartment. I got fresh linens, pillowcases, everything. They're changed every week. If I leave any clothes laying around, she'll fold them up or put my backpack away. I just came back with this backpack, which has my laptop. Again, I took the laptop with me. Normally I work on it here. And I've got that up there. Let's see. And then the bathroom, yeah, same thing. Just sparkling clean. She always organizes my shampoos and stuff, but usually in the wrong place, but that's okay. And then, you know, I reorganize everything over here every week, but that's okay. Again, everything is all nice and sparkling clean, ready to go. I'm set for the week. So it's just kind of one of the nice amenities. I never did, in fact, the entire time I was in the Philippines, I didn't even look for a serviced apartment because there just weren't any. I mean, not anywhere that I was. Maybe they're out in Makati or somewhere up there. Oh, there's a microwave that's down here. And but here, serviced apartments are the normal thing. You know, they come with Wi-Fi. They come with what do you call it? You know, big screen, flat TVs. And I'll put a link to a place where you can get apartments just like this. People are always asking me, you know, where can I get an apartment like that? And so I'll put a link here in the description, and you can check that out. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Again, it's so nice to just come home. The entire apartment is reset, nice and clean, fresh linen, ready to go. And yeah, nice way to get through the week. All right, talk to you guys later.